Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto G23. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both. Now tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, click on I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other device, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about latest newsletters and updates, tap on Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by selecting OK. Then choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and Receive at the bottom next to Send on Motorola. Also on Motorola, tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to an Android. Here you can tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories. And when you're ready, tap on Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. You can also just click on the chosen ones, like that, and tap on Send as well. From here, click on Got It in the pop-up and select the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon on Motorola next to Input key. Choose while using the app or only this time to allow camera access, and point your Motorola's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key, you need to tap on Input key section instead. Type in all of those numbers and connect using Receive button. So now when I click on it, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!